my channel. I am super excited to do this video with y'all today. I'm doing this video in a collaboration with Susie's Heart. I will have her channel linked down in the description box, and I will have the video that we are doing together. So we're doing a closet organizing video for y'all today, and I'm very excited to show you guys kind of how I organize my closet. It's always great to see different ideas and whatnot. So mine's a little different because I'm in such a small space and don't have a closet, and it's great so you guys can get some different ideas and whatnot. And so I'm super excited to do this in collaboration with her, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you guys are coming over from her channel, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you like videos like these and other videos like modest clothing and faith-based videos and different things, definitely check out my page. Hit that giant red subscribe button, and I'd love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. This is what I use for my closet. I know not everybody has closet space, so this is what I typically use. It's the storage cubes from Walmart. I have two sets. One set is mine and one set is my husband's. So we each have 4 cubes, and it works nicely from all of my clothes. Our church clothes, I do have a small little closet area that I hang those, but everything else for the most part is in here. They're the larger size cubes. I really like them because you can fit a lot in them. I'm going to go over and show you guys a few different folding techniques and a few different things I've tried and what is the best way that I feel like fits the most clothes in these bins. I've been using these bins for my clothes now for about 1.5 years, and I do really like it. It works well for me, so I figured I would show you guys kind of what works best and what I found and how I fold them and organize them. So the first bin I'm going to go through is my skirts. If you guys didn't know, I dress very modestly, and I have kind of modesty standards. My skirts go to my knee or below my knee, preferably below my knee, and then my shirts kind of longer sleeves so you can't see anything. I only wear skirts and dresses. It's just a modesty thing that I've chosen that I want to do. So anyways, as a Christian and whatnot, so I just figured I'd kind of give you kind of a briefing before we go into this, because I know a lot of people are going to be like, where's the rest of her clothes and whatnot. So I promise y'all, this is all of my clothes. So as I go through this bin, I'm going to refold it, I'm going to dump it out, refold it, put things away. And as I do that, I'm going to kind of go through it, because I know there's some things in here that I haven't worn in some time, and some things that I might not wear at all anymore. So I'm going to sell those and pass them on. So these bins are pretty big. I typically, I'm getting everything out. So these bins, they look like this. They're pretty big. I usually can fit 2 stacks of skirts in here. I've rolled my skirts in the past. I had learned that that was going to be like the most space-friendly way to fit clothes in here. And so I tried that, and it did not work for me. I actually got less clothes in here. I tried the Marie Kondo method. She's a famous organizer and whatnot. I did her way as well with my shirts and stuff, and it just seemed like it took up a little bit more space for me, which I get is kind of the object behind it. But for me, space is a big deal, and so the more I can fit, the better, just because I'm very limited, and this is all of my clothing space. I don't have anything anywhere else, so I'm gonna go through and do it. So I kind of have a variety of skirts. I usually put my maxi skirts on one side, and then my knee length or denim skirts on the other side. Sometimes it gets a little mixed up, just if I'm really busy. So this is what my finished organizing bin looks like, if you guys can see. I put all my short skirts and my tall skirts. I did go through and pull some out. These are ones I don't really wear that much anymore, so I'm going to kind of go through them and give them away or try to sell them and whatnot. So that's kind of what my skirt bin looks like. Okay, so the next bin I have here is my dresses. As you know, like your closet space and whatnot, after you get things out of it like several times, it just over time looks like a mess. I do keep my bins for the most part pretty organized, but this is like a month of like working and like being crazy for like weeks on end. So I kind of left it so you guys can see like real life, like what it looks like. So this is pretty much what it is. For my dresses, I do the same technique. I do kind of 2 by 2, I call it. So when I say 2 by 2, again, the bin looks like this, same size, same bin, different color, and I just fold the dresses in stacks going 2 by 2. I fit more in here that way. I've tried a lot of folding techniques again with the dresses, same kind of thing. This is the best way they fit. So for dresses, I have some tank top style dresses, but I will wear them with like a cami, or not like a cami, like a shirt or like something over them. And to me, that is modest. For me, everybody has different modesty standards. As long as you can kind of like go down, not quite your elbow, but down a little ways. That's kind of my modesty standards, and it's because there's a few verses in the Bible, if you guys look, that quote a few things. I will insert one at the end of this video that is my favorite. I'm blanking on the name of the verse, and I apologize, but yeah, so that's just my modesty standards and how I go through and do my dresses. So I'm gonna go through and do them real quick. Cut it. So this is what my finished bin looks like. I did take out a few dresses that I'm just not going to wear anymore. And so it's always nice for me. I love going through my closet and organizing it because it always gives you that like opportunity to like, do I wear this? Am I going to wear this? And like to me, that's like my favorite part about closet organizing. Is just that fact of like, is this something I'm going to wear? You know, probably not. Time to get rid of it. And so that's just one of my favorite things about it. This bin here is going to be my shirts. I want to go through it and kind of see like what I feel is more modest in my shirts. I have a lot of things in here that I haven't worn in quite some time, or I haven't worn at all in a really at all. So I kind of want to keep like lengths of shirts to about here or even elbow length. I don't like the shirt. I don't mind short sleeve shirts, and to me that's okay. But when you can see under it and see your bra and just under your arm and whatnot, I feel like that's not really appropriate when you're trying to be modest. That's just my personal opinion. Everybody has their own opinion, and that's just mine. So this is kind of what I have for shirts. I'm going to go through it and organize it. When it comes to shirts, the best way I've found that it works for me is to go 2 by 2. I've done the different folding techniques. I've rolled them. I've done a lot of different things, and just 2 by 2 for me seems like I fit the most. And so that's kind of what I want to do with this bin. and that's how I'm gonna fold all of these shirts. So this is what my finished bin looks like, and it's about half full. I could fit something else in this bin, but because I have another bin that I keep some of my stuff in, this kind of works for me. I've been gonna go through it for a while and just pull out the shirts that are too short in the sleeves and stuff. So I have a few that I'm gonna try on that I'm not sure about, but so far my pile is getting pretty big. This last bin is a mix of my husband and mine stuff. It's got lounge clothes, so I have some skirts that I only wear around the house and some t-shirts that I'll wear when I'm cleaning or just different things, so those are in here. Also, mine and his swimsuits are in here, and that's kind of how I organize this. So I'm going to go through this bin. It is a ginormous mess. I'm going to go through this bin as well, just because I'm not going through his closet today, but I figured I'd do this one because it's got some of my stuff and some of his stuff in it. This is what my overall bin ended up looking like. I was gonna do just my side and his side of stuff, but I had a little bit more stuff, and when it comes to my like Ike work clothes and house clothes and stuff, I like to keep them just because I never know when I'm gonna need something I want to throw away, and I don't want to ruin something good. So I have my swim dresses and swim stuff here, and then I have the other stuff here, and that's kind of the finished product of this bin. Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you guys have come over here from Susie's channel, thank you so much. Definitely check out some of my other videos. I'll have her video linked down below if you guys want to check out her video, if you guys are from my channel or just clicking on this one in general. And for those of you that are wondering, I post on Fridays and I post modest content and a lot of different things. Definitely check out my channel to get a kind of feel for what I do. Thank you so much for watching.